Prepare yourself for a cosmic drama playing out in the vast theater of the night sky, a rare and astonishing event that could change everything we know about the universe. In the constellation Orion, a stellar giant is stirring from its slumber. Betelgeuse, the brilliant red supergiant marking Orion's shoulder, is behaving in strange and mysterious ways. This isn't just another flicker in the heavens. It could be the star's final act before an unforgettable cosmic finale. Thanks to the unmatched vision of the James Webb Space Telescope and the enduring legacy of the Hubble, scientists are observing changes unlike anything seen before. Some now believe we may be witnessing the final steps of Betelgeuse as it marches toward a spectacular end, as a supernova. Such an event would not just light up our skies, it would rewrite what we know about the life and death of stars. Astronomers like Brian Nord and Andrea Dupree are paying close attention, their excitement tinged with the awe that comes when science meets the unknown. Across observatories and laboratories, one question is pulsing louder than ever. Could we be on the brink of witnessing a star's final, brilliant breath? Let's dive deep into this unfolding celestial mystery. High above us, Betelgeuse looms as a true titan among stars. Situated roughly 725 light-years away, it is one of the most massive and luminous stars visible from Earth. A red supergiant, Betelgeuse swells to nearly 764 times the diameter of our Sun. If it replaced the Sun at the heart of our solar system, its outer edge would extend beyond Mars, and possibly touch Jupiter's orbit. It is a monster in both size and brightness, yet its life is tragically short. While our Sun will shine for billions of years, Betelgeuse is already nearing its fiery end after just around 8 million. Such stars burn fast and die young, burning through their fuel at an astonishing rate. Betelgeuse has always captured our imagination, its orange-red glow drawing the gaze of ancient skywatchers. That glow, a sign of its cooler surface temperature, around 3,500 Kelvin, has changed over the centuries. Old records from Chinese, Roman, and Arabic astronomers hint at a shift in color over time, a subtle but significant clue to the star's transformation. It is known to pulse in brightness, cycling over hundreds of days. But Betelgeuse is no simple metronome. It flickers with irregular rhythms, sometimes surprising even the most seasoned astronomers. In late 2019, something startling happened. Betelgeuse began to dim, rapidly and dramatically. Over just a few months, it lost nearly two-thirds of its brightness, becoming visibly dimmer even to the naked eye. This event, now called the Great Dimming, reached its lowest point in early 2020. Speculation soared. Was this the prelude to a supernova? Was Betelgeuse collapsing? With help from Hubble and other space telescopes, scientists discovered the cause: a colossal outburst of material from the star's surface. This eruption created a vast cloud of dust that veiled the star from our view. To grasp the scale, it released material hundreds of billions of times more massive than a typical solar flare from our Sun. Betelgeuse had ejected a chunk of itself into space, and the universe took note. Such massive outbursts are not ordinary. They may signal that the star's balance is faltering. So when will the end come? That's the great cosmic mystery. No one can say for certain. Some experts think it could happen within a few decades, while others suggest it might not occur for thousands of years. What we do know is that Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life, and its time is short by cosmic standards. When the end arrives, it will be a supernova, a cataclysm. The core will cave in, triggering a colossal explosion that hurls the star's outer layers into space. In those few explosive weeks, Betelgeuse will shine more brightly than a full moon. It may even be visible in the daytime, casting shadows at night like a second sun in the sky. But should we be worried? Thankfully, no. Betelgeuse is far enough from Earth that its explosion poses no threat to life here. Instead, we'll have front-row seats to one of the most scientifically rich events in history. It will offer a once-in-a-lifetime chance to watch a supernova unfold in real time with modern instruments. The data gathered could unlock secrets about how stars die, how black holes form, and how the elements of life are scattered across the cosmos. There's a poetic twist to all of this. Because of the vast distance, The light we see today left Betelgeuse in the 1300s. The Great Dimming? That was happening when medieval knights still roamed Europe. It's entirely possible that Betelgeuse has already exploded, and the light just hasn't reached us yet. We might wake up tomorrow to a blazing new object in the sky. Or, it might still be centuries before that final light show arrives. Betelgeuse reminds us that the universe is alive. It shifts, breathes, evolves, and sometimes, it erupts in breathtaking spectacle. Whether it explodes tomorrow or long after we're gone, Betelgeuse invites us to look up and wonder. Because in the silent beauty of the night sky, there are stories unfolding that connect us to the deepest truths of the cosmos. So keep watching Orion. One day, perhaps sooner than we imagine, that crimson shoulder may burst into light, a brilliant goodbye from a dying star. The watch begins. Awaiting the death of a star. Betelgeuse hasn't exploded yet. But it has made us look up. And now, we wait. Astronomers around the globe have essentially launched a cosmic vigil. Telescopes are pointed. Data is streaming in. And eyes, both human and robotic, are fixed on the red giant in Orion. This isn't just passive watching. It's an urgent, coordinated global effort to catch one of nature's most violent and spectacular events as it happens. Satellite dish. The tools of the Cosmic Watch. Space agencies and observatories are preparing for the inevitable. From the James Webb Space Telescope, nestled far beyond Earth's atmosphere, to massive ground-based instruments like the Very Large Telescope in Chile, science is building a network of skywatchers with one goal: be ready. Networks like SNEWS, the Supernova Early Warning System, are quietly listening for the telltale whisper of a dying star. These detectors don't wait for light. They listen for neutrinos, ghost-like particles that arrive moments before the visible explosion. If Betelgeuse collapses, Earth's detectors may be the first to know. A pulse of neutrinos could give us a few hours head start before the supernova lights up the sky. DNA. Stellar death, human origins. Why does this matter so much? Why do we watch so closely? Because when stars die, they give life. Every atom heavier than helium in your body, your bones, your blood, your breath, was forged in the heart of a star that died long ago. The calcium in your teeth, the iron in your blood, the gold on your finger, all born in supernovae. Betelgeuse is not just a dying star. It is the echo of our origin and the promise of future creation. When it explodes, it will scatter new elements into the universe, seeding the raw materials for planets, for oceans, for life. It's not just science.